Imagine this. You're hurtling down a highway at 70 miles per hour when suddenly, the car slams to a stop. What happens next? Your body flies forward, until a seatbelt stops you. Now, picture a world where the motion of every object, from falling apples to rocket launches, was a complete mystery. That was our reality before Isaac Newton revolutionized everything. In this video, we'll explore Newton's 3 amazing laws of motion, the invisible forces shaping our universe, from the ground beneath our feet to the stars in the sky. By the end, you'll not only understand these laws but see how they affect your life every single day. Stay tuned, you won't look at the world the same way again. Newton's first law, often called the law of inertia, is deceptively simple. An object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion unless acted on by an external force. Sound boring? Think again. Have you ever wondered why you keep sliding on an icy road or why your coffee spills when the bus stops suddenly? It's inertia at play, a force so universal it's like the universe's ultimate rulebook. Here's a thought: if inertia didn't exist, stopping your car would feel like hitting a brick wall every single time. Scary, right? But Newton didn't just define inertia. He proved that the universe craves balance. It's like trying to argue with gravity. You just can't win. Quick question: why don't cats obey the law of inertia? You push them off the couch, and somehow, they're right back where they started. Maybe Newton missed something there. Or maybe, cats are just above the laws of physics? But inertia is just the beginning. Newton's second law? That's where things get wild. This one doesn't just explain motion, it's the reason rockets soar into space. Newton's second law is the most famous equation in physics. Force equals mass times acceleration, F equals ma. Translation? The harder you push, the faster something moves, unless it's really heavy. Here's a fun way to think about it. Imagine trying to kick a bowling ball versus a soccer ball. One moves effortlessly, the other, well, let's just say your toe would regret it. This law isn't just a classroom concept. It's why airbags save lives, why rockets escape Earth's gravity, and even why slamming on your brakes works. Force controls everything. Without this law, our modern world? Gone. No cars, no space exploration, no tech. Just chaos. But what happens when one object's force meets another? That's where Newton's third law steps in, a law so powerful it governs every reaction you've ever seen. Newton's third law is simple yet profound. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. It's the cosmic equivalent of what goes around comes around. Think about it. A rocket lifts off because exhaust gas is pushed down. A swimmer moves forward because water pushes back. Even walking works because the ground pushes you forward with every step. But here's the catch. This law doesn't just apply to physics. It's a reminder that every action we take has consequences. Every push creates a ripple effect. Isn't it fascinating to think that the universe itself operates on a system of give and take? Now here's a question to mess with your head. If every action has an equal and opposite reaction, does that mean when you eat pizza, the pizza eats you back? Something to chew on. Newton's 3 laws aren't just scientific principles, they're the foundation of our modern world. From understanding why objects move to building life-saving technologies, these laws are everywhere. So next time you toss a ball, slam on your brakes, or even trip over your own feet, remember, Newton explained it all centuries ago. And here's the real question: if one man could unlock the secrets of the universe, what could you do if you dared to think differently? Don't just observe the laws of motion, use them to inspire motion in your own life.